Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use UNGER's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today we're talking about the UNGER nLITE range of water-fed brushes. It offers you everything you need for perfect cleaning results and is therefore the right choice to enable you to master the daily challenges of pure water cleaning. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the different types of brushes in the nLITE range. I will also show you how clever water distribution systems and other key features can support you when cleaning windows, facades and solar panels. The following nLITE brushes are available. The nLITE power brushes are just the right choice to master all daily challenges of pure water cleaning. With the nLITE angled brush, UNGER has an innovative solution for you that is ideal for large surfaces, frames and corners. The angled brush shape and the unique bristle cut allows you to easily clean horizontal surfaces such as windowsills and protrusions right into the last corner. Because the bristles are spread further apart, the brush can be moved up and down in longer strokes. This makes it easy to clean large glass surfaces. The nLITE hybrid brush is characterized by its special bristle mix. The inner bristles are synthetic and offer extremely powerful scrubbing. On the outside, wild boar bristles are used, which have a strong cleaning power and leave no streaks. This combination results in an extremely powerful cleaning experience, easier gliding and less waste than full natural hairbrushes. The nLITE hybrid brush is ideal for the initial cleaning of glass surfaces with pure water and for cleaning photovoltaic and solar modules. With the nLITE soft brush, you are perfectly equipped for gentle surface cleaning. Short, thin bristles with high flexibility and soft fibers reduce the risk of damaging sensitive surfaces. A little tip: as some surfaces are sensitive to scratches, you should always test your brush on a concealed area before you use it to be on the safe side. The nLITE brushes from UNGER offer you a special water distribution system with two central components. Firstly, the rinse bar, a special rinse nozzle bar above the brush. It distributes the water evenly across the entire width of the brush and ensures that pure water and not the bristles have the last contact with the cleaning surface. The use of the rinse bar is generally recommended. The second type of water distribution is via centrally integrated jet nozzles. These are used for powerful cleaning with a strong jet of water. It makes sense to use these jet nozzles if you need to clean hard-to-reach areas such as dirty edges or corners with a strong jet of water, or if you do not have a sufficient water supply to rinse the brush with the rinse bar. In addition to the different water distribution systems, there are other important features that differentiate our individual brushes. For example, you can choose between different brush lengths and different bristle types and combinations. I'll show you what this is best for and when to use which brush in a separate video. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.